This 2023 Fleetwood Irok FSL is a Class B RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Fleetwood is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2, stovetop burner, air conditioning, LP detector, refrigerator, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, TV antenna, microwave, and 28 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features couples coach, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, rear living area. This 2023 Fleetwood Irok FSL is built on a ProMaster 3500 chassis and is powered by a Pentastar VVT engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.